Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing another closet declutter video. I apologize, the camera is so far away while I'm going to be filming this, but this is just because it's easier. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Hit subscribe if you'd like to subscribe to me. I have been doing declutter videos for a couple of years now and I really do enjoy it. However, it kind of is really hard for me to part ways with things, as you guys have seen in my earlier declutters. So this one is the same pretty much as my makeup declutter. If I don't use it, don't wear it, whatever the case, it's going, and that's the end of it. Today we are diving into my closet once again, and we are doing my sweatshirts. I currently keep them all up here, but I don't know where I'm going to be storing them when I move out. I basically have a lot of sweatshirts, as I'm wearing one right now. I love sweatshirts so much. It's just always been something that I always wear, no matter what. I think everyone does. So with that all being said, if you guys want to see me declutter this, and just keep watching and let's just get started. Gosh, I can't believe I pulled all these out of the closet. I had these organized by pullovers and zip ups, but I feel like I may organize them by like loose fitted and then not loose fitted. Basically, so we're going to start with the ones over here. I have this Aeropostale sweatshirt, which I love so much, and I am keeping it because it's one of my favorites. It says Surf Days Venice on there, and I think I only got this for like $10, so we are going to be keeping this little baby. And then next we have this white this one's actually kind of gross in the armpits. I don't know if you guys can see that. By the way, anything that I don't give to my mom or my sister out of any of my declutters that is like recently new or like new with tags makeup, you get it. I will be listing on my Poshmark. Link is down below. If you sign up with my code, oh my god, it's SamX3, as usual, you get a $5 credit on your account. You can use for anything to buy on Poshmark. So I just wanted to throw that out there because I am selling a lot of my items to declutter. Obviously, I'm getting married in 3 months, so there's that. But I have this Victoria's Secret sweatshirt that my mom was like, if you never wear that anymore, please give it to me. So I actually might end up giving this to her. Ew, there's like a thing of hair on the back of it. Me. That piece of hair is me. So I think this is going to Claro because I haven't worn it in so long. And then next we have a Juicy Couture. Oh my gosh, I love this one so much. This is my Juicy Couture velour sweatshirt. I got this from Kohl's. I recently just decided to part ways with my Juicy Couture purse because it was ruined and I haven't worn it. Yeah, you wear a purse. I haven't used it in a couple years, so that's what the front looks like, and this is the back. So cute, and I really do want to keep it because I want to wear this more. So, I want to keep you. I haven't seen you in a long time, so, I don't know. You're kind of a maybe. You're a maybe. Also, speaking of purses, actually, this one is so, oh my gosh, I need to like fix this. I need to do something with this. It is so, as you guys can see, this purse has been like a struggle for me. I love it. This is one of my Michael Kors bags I bought off of Poshmark only for 60 bucks, but I don't know what the heck, like, it got all these marks on the back of it. I don't know. I'm gonna try and clean this up and maybe I will end up selling it on Poshmark. I'm not quite sure because I do genuinely love this bag. It's just like the material it's made out of is just such a pain, and like I feel like it cuts me all the time and just, I don't know. So we'll find it. We'll see. You'll see if that ends up on Poshmark or not, basically. This Juicy Couture sweater will be a maybe. And this I just ended up washing. This is my No Boundaries sweatshirt from Walmart in extra large. I love these so much. I have another one, but I might be parting ways with that one too because it's just so small on me. Like, it's a large and not an extra large, so it's like so tiny, but it's so comfy and warm. I think this was only like $5 at Walmart at the time, so next year I'm definitely gonna get another one, an extra large black one, because I really love them. We're gonna keep this guy. Then we have this men's sweatshirt. This is a large, Royal Class is the brand. I got this from Aldi's. Love it so much. I think it was only like $10 and I love wearing it all the time, so we're keeping him. He's a nice loose zip up to wear. And this one is another Victoria's Secret zip up. This one's actually more loose on me and it has like a lot of two-tone colors on there. It's kind of color blocked. It has like the stripes on the side of it, so I'm keeping him because I do wear him a lot. Lately I've been really into wearing like basic colored hoodies. Like, obviously this one's different because it says Lifeguard and Squamicut Beach on it, but I don't know, like just hot pink hood. Like, besides that pink hoodie, like I don't really wear bright colored hoodies anymore. I don't know. I'm just kind of basic in that manner, I guess. I don't know. And then of course, oh, I love this one too. I love this one too. This is a Victoria's Secret, I don't even know what you call this, half zip pullover. It's really cute. It says pink on the side of it and it's really loose and comfy. I do like this one too. Again, this is probably going to go in the maybe pile because I have worn it, but I feel like I don't wear it enough, so, and I don't reach for it enough, so we're gonna put that in the maybe pile. This little baby, this is staying. I have pants that match this, and it's a cute little sweat set. I'm obsessed. This is from like the fashion show collection, I think, from like 2015 or 2016. I could be wrong. It just has pink all along the side of it. It's a half zip and it has pockets, and it's just a really nice sweatshirt. It's one of my favorites that I own, so I am keeping that one. Okay, now we have another loose sweatshirt. This one is school sweatshirt, which you guys probably have already figured out what school I go to or have been going to for a long time. So I am keeping it because it is one of my favorites, and it's very comfy and warm, and I actually cut down the middle here because, I don't know, I feel like sometimes this is too tight. I might end up doing that to this one too, just because, I don't know, it's kind of annoying. Really, really love these sweatshirts, so I'm keeping this one. Along with this one, this is my favorite Maine hoodie that I have, and it is just so cute. It's pink. It just says Maine on there, and it did have some ties, but I took them out because they were annoying. It has a moose on there, and then it has a moose and says Maine on the hood, which is adorable. So I think I got this when David and I went to Old Orchard Beach in one of those shops. So if you do go in the summer and you want something similar to this, I think that's where you should look. They had like this huge giant store that like there weren't weird sketchy people selling stuff. I don't know. I felt kind of weird going into some of those stores because I feel like people were really sketchy. I don't know. So just beware when you travel and you're a tourist. But I am keeping this one because Maine, and I love it, and I do wear that one. Along with my princess hoodie. Princess! Love this. I got this from H&M, and actually they ended up having a shirt that said princess too, and it was on clearance, and I really regret not getting it, but it's okay because I have the hoodie, and it's just so cute. I really love this a lot. It is just really, really nice and warm and comfy. Next, I have one of my high school sweatshirts from when I was in chorus, so I am keeping it because it's still a really comfy, warm hoodie, and I still do wear it, believe it or not, even though I graduated in like 2011. Still wear it, still like it. Then we have, oh, this is a crop hoodie. This shouldn't even be up there. I don't know. This is kind of a mix between a crop hoodie and not, because it's like a high-low effect hoodie. It's also from Pink. This is one of my favorites. I wear all the time. So you guys can see the effect right there. Has a little dog, and then it says Pink Nation along the back of the hood, which I think I got this in an outfit deal. So I am going to hang this in the closet because this is considered like a crop hoodie for me, and I hang those up in my closet, so we're going to do that. This is like becoming kind of a fail video. Why do I end up doing this? Like, I don't understand. Then we have another pink black sweatshirt. This one's a zip up. It just has a little dog on there as always, and then the back says pink, and it's in like leopard print. One of my favorites that I do really like, so I am going to keep it because I do wear this one. I've been actually rotating out my sweatshirts too. I don't know if that makes any sense, but I've been rotating them out so that I could wear all of them because I feel like I just have too many. Then next we have my other Maine hoodie from when I went to Maine this past October. I think I've only worn it once since I got it, so this needs to be worn ASAP. My mom and my sister actually have ones that match, so we all kind of have the same one. It's kind of cute. So I am going to keep this one, and it's a nice big zip up to wear. Just looks like a lot, but it probably isn't. I don't know. Oh, this is like my summery hoodie. Another one from Pink. This one's just a zip up and has like a little sequin dog on there. The sleeves are probably, yeah, the armpits are kind of gross. And the back it has pink, and it's this cute little palm tree print with sequins on it. It's just really cute. One of my favorite hoodies. I am keeping this one, so like y'all can get mad at me for keeping all these. I don't give a fuck right now because I do wear them. It's just like I don't see them, so there's that. This one, oh my gosh, this is definitely one of my favorites. I ended up getting this one when I went to New Jersey a few years ago down at the Victoria's Secret outlet, and this is the Pink Vegas hoodie. It says Pink Vegas on the front, and then on the back it has the cherries, which is just so cute. I love this hoodie. Oh my goodness, because this was only I think $30, and usually their destination items, if you guys have seen the website, are really freaking expensive. So I had to pick this up, and it reminds me of like the old school like quality of how their hoodies used to be, because now they're a lot thinner and stuff, and this is actually like really nice quality, so I'm gonna keep this baby too. And then I have here the other Sherpa hoodie. I'm very upset about this one, honestly. This one's a large, way too small on me, so I am going to part ways with it, even though I do prefer the black one, honestly, over the pink one sometimes. Just so upsetting. It's okay though. I'm going to move on. It's going to be fun. I have another black pullover hoodie from Pink, and it just says Pink on there. It has little white drawstrings, and that's all. That's literally all the detail on it. That's why I like this one, because it's very plain. And then finally, my last hoodie that I have here is from Aeropostale. It's another one of my favorites. It just says Aero 1987 on it. It has like this faux fur in the hood, and it's just really cute. There's nothing on the back. Very basic, and I do like to wear this one a lot too, so I am going to keep this baby because I wear that one quite a bit. Oh my god. Okay, well, let's go back to the maybes because yeah. So back to the maybe hoodies that I might be getting rid of. I feel like I've worn this one so much, but like I don't ever wear it enough. So I think I am gonna part ways with this one. And then my Juicy, the thing is, like, I want to keep this one so badly because I know Juicy Couture is coming back in style, and I love like the velour look. And obviously I don't have any of my velour hoodies anymore because I gave them to my sister because I was like, I'm over it. But I really, really love this one so much. And it still has like stains on the back of it when I got my hair dyed pink. Not pink, red actually, if you guys remember that. They actually stayed in the back of my hoodie, which I didn't know they did that until afterwards, and I was like, seriously? But it's okay. Gosh, I want to wear this one more. So you know what? I'm going to keep this one, but I'm going to get rid of one of the ones that I said I was going to keep. So that's going to be really painful. God help me. And I think it's honestly going to be this one, because the armpits on it, I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see since the camera is so far away, but the armpits are pretty nasty and gnarly under there. So I think I am going to part ways with this one. Maybe I'll give it to my sister. It just makes me sad because I really loved this hoodie when I got it. It was like one of my favorites, and then I don't know. And I feel like personally on me, since I'm a bigger girl, I don't know if any of you guys that are bigger girls feel the same way as me, but when I wear lighter colors, like white for example, I feel like it just makes me look like 3 times bigger than I actually am. Same with like white camis, white shirts, just anything like white or light colored, I just look huge. And I know that that's like, it's probably like an optical illusion thing because black, they say, is supposed to make you slim, but at the same time it's like, I don't know. So we're gonna part ways since I am gonna keep the Juicy Couture. And obviously you guys see that I'm wearing this Lifeguard Misquamicut hoodie. I think I got this last year actually, or maybe the year before. I really like it, really nice and big and comfortable, and I could just throw on, so I'm keeping it. Obviously I'm wearing it. So, and I have been wearing it all week, so there's that. With that all being said, that is basically my sweatshirt declutter, a part of my closet declutter. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and helped you in some way. Next week, actually, I might film this video right after. I'm going to be going through this whole part again, mainly just these 3 compartments down here in my closet because I know I did a video about it, but I feel like it was kind of a fail and I didn't really get rid of much, and I just like blabbed basically the whole time. So we're going to redo that video and I'm going to feel better about it. So there's that. I love you guys and thank you so much for watching, and subscribe if you'd like to, and hit the little bell notification so you know when I post a new video. And like the video if you enjoyed too, because that helps me out and I do appreciate it. And again, anything that I do not give to my mom or my sister is probably going to be listed on my Poshmark, so stay tuned for that. I probably will have some new listings hopefully by the time this video goes up. If not, I just want to let you guys know I'm having an Easter spring sale until the 1st of April where select items are 15% or more off that I'm trying to get rid of and all that kind of stuff, and I do bundle and all that kind of stuff. So just follow my closet Instagram if you guys want to know more, or follow me on Poshmark. Either one works. I love you guys and I'll see you in my next video. Oh, now I have to get all the way back over there. Oh, over the bags. Yes, bags that I'm collecting for our collective haul.